Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Hanieh. Today we're going to learn 5 very important travel words in English. These are words you must know if you're going travel by plane, by train, or even by car. I'll explain each word slowly, give you an easy definition, and show you how to use it in real life. Ready? Let's go. Our first word is destination. Destination means the place where you want to go. Example, my destination is Paris. That means I want to go to Paris. More examples. What's your destination? Our destination is the beach. So remember, destination means final place. Where are you going next? Think about your destination. The second word is reservation. A reservation means that you book something in advance before you go. You can make a reservation for a hotel room, a restaurant, a plane ticket. Example, I made a reservation at a hotel in Rome. That means I called or used a website and saved a room for myself. Another one. Do you have a reservation? You might hear this when you arrive at a restaurant or hotel. So, reservation means booking before you go. Next is luggage. Luggage means the bags you carry when you travel. Other words for luggage: suitcase, bag, backpack. Examples: I packed my luggage last night. Her luggage is very heavy. Be careful, luggage is uncountable. We don't say luggages. You can say, I have 2 pieces of luggage. My luggage is lost. Oh no. Now let's talk about passport. A passport is a small official book. It shows who you are and lets you travel to other countries. Example, don't forget your passport. Where is your passport? You use your passport at the airport at passport control. Without it, you can't travel internationally. Always keep your passport safe and ready. And last, departure. Departure means the time you leave or go away from a place. At the airport, you will see a sign: departures, flights leaving, arrivals, flights coming. Example, our departure time is 8 p.m. That means we leave at 8 o'clock. Another one, please arrive 2 hours before your departure. So, departure means leaving time. Now, let's review. Here are the 5 travel words you learned today. Destination, where you are going. Reservation, booking something before. Luggage, your travel bags. Passport, your ID for traveling. Departure, when you leave. Which one was new for you? Write in the comments and tell me your favorite word today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And remember, learning English is a journey, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video. Bye for now.